So this is unboxing of Harmony 700 Logitech remote. So it's supposed up to 8 remotes with more than 2.7 lakhs of supported devices. So it needs a software, web-based software that needs to be connected over a USB cable. So it's a one-touch home or theater control, quick and easy setup. So it also get updated database, and you can replace 8 remotes with a combination of a programming by switching it on and off multiple devices. And it also supports a 23 channel preset with a display. So let's unbox it. So it works with the 2 rechargeable batteries that used to be packed with this remote. This is the new version from 650 series. So, yeah. So we have a USB charging cable and US based adapter, nice and sleek. So it has a Logitech logo in it, and a couple of operational and quick guide manual, I guess. Yes, quick guide installation manual. So we also have a rechargeable battery. Rechargeable, which is Recycle Co. So pretty much packed, neatly packed. So here is a remote itself. So here is where the battery sits in. Let's glide it out. So the battery indicator, the battery indicator stick label in it. Here's the wrapper. Just need to be removed. So we need to configure over the Logitech website. Thanks for watching.